The kitchen was a really fun project to work on because it's not every day that you see entirely wood kitchens anymore. These homeowners wanted to do an entirely cherry kitchen, which is something nice from the standard painted shaker kitchens you see every day. It brings a lot more warmth into the space, and the beauty of the cherry wood is it's really going to age and change over time and kind of show the growth of the space as they live in it. We also went with natural granite countertops. There's a lot of details that went into this space. I would say this is a fully outfitted kitchen, accessory and appliance wise. We have mixer lifts, we have garbage pullouts, we have a beverage fridge, panel ready appliances. We really took advantage of all the space in this kitchen. We did a custom pantry pullout to get rid of the old framed in pantry, which just wasn't a great use of storage. You just lost stuff in the back. And changing it to cabinetry with pullouts, it really allows the entire storage to be better used and accessed. Something fun that I'd never done before was a 48-inch kitchen sink. It's a big focus point of the kitchen island. And then we got to transition the beautiful kitchen right out to the back deck to really take advantage of the landscaping and setting that they have outside of this house. And then, almost as intensive as the kitchen, the bathroom was such a big piece of this house. Bathrooms take just as much planning, if not more, than kitchens do, just because the amount of plumbing and electrical planning that goes into the space. And it's a smaller space that you have to plan and make sure everything fits together. It was really cool to get the opportunity to do a full Kohler suite in their shower. So this shower is fully outfitted with a full rain shower overhead, body jets, steam components, a handheld. So it really gives you that whole spa experience, and they can control it through your phone. Sometimes Alexa if it wants to cooperate. Then we did a freestanding tub with body jets. And then of course there's the vanity, which we custom designed to make it functionally aesthetic for both uses, with storage and roll-in access. I would say there's definitely a little bit of extra planning when there's a specific accessibility in mind. But I would say it's pretty common now when I'm doing any sort of bathroom renovation. I'm recommending the roll-in showers. I'm recommending smart home implementations because I think the homeowners made a great point when we really got into discussing the existing house with where we've taken it now. Is this home was built with 30-inch doors, with doors that weren't aligned with each other, just 6 inches off. It wasn't really designed originally with the purpose in mind of someone staying here in the long term or aging in place. And we've gone through the steps of changing all the doors to 36 inches wide or putting in pocket doors, which are relatively easy things to do, even if you don't need them at that exact moment, but they make a huge difference when there's a need for, say, a wheelchair in the home.